The new WICTIP is equipped with a powerful and strong search engine, which is able to scan all the documents available and find any specific keyword. For instance, if we look for the word fitting, the search engine scanned all the documents available and find this specific keyword 15 times in safety data sheets, for instance. With a click on safety data sheet, we can see all the documents where this keyword is available. Select the language that we need. And then open the one specific document. In this document, we can open it into a flipping book. And the keyword that we were looking for, fitting, is automatically highlighted. With a click on it, we can find it. We can find directly where it is mentioned in the document. This advanced search give the possibility to see the document in all the categories, and we always have in the left side some filters to narrow our search. We can remove all these filters with a click on this button or its equivalent on the left menu. And if we want to see all document without any keyword, we can see on see all document, and then all the document available in WICTIP will be displayed.